2016 Ford Escape SE 4-wheel drive with 45,000 miles on lowmilecars.com. lowmilecars.com. It's a pretty clean small SUV, the Ford Escape, one of the most popular compact SUV or crossover. This one have nice tires, good treads, clean body, Xeon white highlights, and drives great. How the engine runs. It have some good features. One of the features I like from all the Ford, it's the top touchpad. Open the doors. And 45,300 some miles. Automatic highlight control, and the sync system with Bluetooth, and the backup camera. Heated seats and the power driver seat, and that's about it. A simple low mile small SUV with a 4-wheel drive system on lowmilecars.com. lowmilecars.com.